Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Bank of Montreal where to find direct deposit. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to find your BMO direct deposit information, what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your BMO application, then tap on the login on the bottom of your screen and enter your credentials and be sure to be logged into your account. Then once you're logged into your account, what you need to do here is simply tap on the accounts option if you aren't, and then select the account which you want to find the direct deposit information now. Then once you are inside the selected account, you'll find the option that says manage right here. Simply select that and then or simply tap on the account details right here, and there you'll see your transit branch number, your institution BMO number, and your account number as well. You can also select the direct deposit form, sometimes shown other settings, and you'll see the same info from your transit number, from your institution and your account number as well. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.